Okay, so I'm just going to go through now how to construct a perpendicular line that goes through another line through a point that's on the line. So we're aiming for this kind of thing here. So say my point is here. We're aiming to create a line that is at right angles to the other line but goes through this point here. That's somewhere on the line. So that's a little bit different to the perpendicular bisector in that it goes through not the centre of the line, not the middle of the line, which would be here somewhere, but just through the point that's on the line. So in order to do that, we get our compass again and we stretch our compass out to any distance you want really. Just make sure that it doesn't go past the end of the line here. So that's fine, but this would not, this would be too long. So I'm just going to bring that in a little bit. And you're going to make two arcs on the line. Like that. Because what we're then going to do, if you think about it, this line here, this new line, this mini line, the dot's now in the middle. So if we do the perpendicular bisector of this section of the line, it will be right in the middle of the red dot. Even though it's not the middle of the full line, it's in the position that we want to. So we just now construct a perpendicular bisector for this section here. So if you remember how to do that, we're going to put our compass point on a bit more than halfway. And we've got our halfway point now that's quite useful. And we're going to put a line or an arc above and below. And in fact, we wouldn't really need to do below because we're already going to have a point to join this arc to. But it's good to do two lines anyway, just to be safe. And then an arc on the other side. And now, when we join these 3 points together, they should all join together. And it should be at a right angle to the original line. So there's my perpendicular my perpendicular line going through that red dot. And if you got your protractor out, you would measure that and hopefully it would be 90 degrees.